Hello friends, how to create a case type. For creating any case type, we can create in Dev Studio or App Studio. For now, I'm going to App Studio, create case type. Just going to give the name as test case. Go to advanced. Okay, next. Here type is standard questionnaire. We have two types of case. A simple typical case is nothing but like requirements gathering. That means details, enter details. Okay, first step, collect information, enter details. Okay, second step, most probably it is going to be like a manager approval, some approval process or some review process. So I'm going to give it like a manager approval. Stage name is approval. And finally, we can give something like fulfillment. And in fulfillment, what we can do is we can share some information like confirm the full fulfillment, something like that. Okay, and this stage is going to be final stage. So whenever the case reaches this stage, the case should be resolved, completed, and delete all the open assignments. Click save. Okay, now let's save and run. So first the case is in the enter details stage with this. Second one is approval. Third one is fulfillment. Okay, advance this case, and if you see, P6001 is resolved, completed. Now let's move back to the Dev Studio. In Dev Studio, let me refresh case types and we can see the test case here. You see, yep. Now what we need to do is we will give some details here. Configure view, add field, first name, last name, email address, phone. For now, yeah, let's give this for information and click submit. Now coming to this manager approval. In manager approval flow, you can see just notes. You'll be able to do the provide the notes, and after the notes are given, we can approve or reject. I would like to add a view. We have created a view, right? Enter details view. I would like to enter this view here, maybe up or bottom or and this is read only. Okay, and I want this one to be give the cancel. Let me add this field, notes field here. So go back here, fields under fields, search for notes, and you're not able to see the notes field here. So for that, It's okay for now. Let's submit and save. And here in the confirmation fulfillment, you can simply add the view that approve manager approval is added, read only, and I'm going to add one field. Case can be closed, and I want to give it like a pick list, yes or no options. We have pick list. Okay, and yes, case can be closed. No, case cannot be closed. Submit. Field is added, and this is going to be required field. Submit. Now in this case, we have added three stages. In three stages, we have three processes. In each process, we have one step. Now save and run. You see? Okay. When we come here, approval notes is there. Below approval notes, you will be able to see this the enter details section in read only mode and approve or reject. When we click on approve, it will go to the next confirmation. Here, if you see, confirmation can be closed yes or no. It is required, so it has the star mark. Click submit. Now the case is closed. For suppose, if in case we reject the case, what happens? When we reject this case, it will come to this approval rejection alternative stage and resolve. This will be, let me give this resolved rejected status. Case will be resolved with resolved rejected status. Okay, let me run the case again, enter the information, submit, reject it. See, the case is resolved rejected. It did not go for the fulfillment stage. Okay, and for suppose, in case here in the confirm fulfillment, if the if user selected the case can be closed as no, then we want to move this case to the manager approval again, or if you want to move this case to the enter detail section, something. We'll take one sample example. So I'm opening this flow. In this flow, I'll add the decision. Here we are making a decision. On which field we are making decision? Case can be closed or not. Okay. If case can be closed, yes, it will go there. If case it cannot be closed, then we need to add another change to stage. We can use this change to stage. Okay, and add it here. Right. So in this decision, we can either use as a fork, or we can give the boolean expression here, or we can use the when conditions. I'll use it as a fork. Okay, and here I'll give the description. Case can be closed. So it will be displayed like this. If case can be closed, here I'll give the when condition, when dot case can be, oh, this is all when conditions. Okay. What we'll do is, let's come here and open the view here, and this is the field. Okay, Now I need to give this. Okay. If case can be equal to no. Mm, okay. Here else condition. So if case can be closed equal to no, then we are changing the stage. Change stage to we have these stages: enter details, approval or fulfillment, or approval rejection. Alternative stages. I'd like to go for the enter details and click save. Now let me create the case again. Yeah, test case, entering the detail, submit. Here first suppose it is approved. Here case can be closed. I am giving no and click submit. See, it came back to the enter details. Okay, you can see the history also. View history here on the actions. If you see, performing the confirm fulfillment. After confirm fulfillment, assign to confirm fulfillment. So these are the history of the case. You can see. You're able to see it here like to complete task assigned to admin 1, Lenops to complete this task. You're not seeing that. You're not seeing the enter details stage name, but it is moved. Okay, this is all about today's